Do you want to learn one of the smartest ways to get fit? You can do this by following a revolutionary custom keto diet plan. This is a brand new product that allows someone to create his or her very own keto diet plan. Based on individual preferences, daily activity levels, it is a personalized weight loss plan based on the user's current stats and future fitness goals. It is designed to help men and women all over the world turn their lives around and take charge of their health. Based on scientific research and proven studies, it creates personalized ketogenic diet plans to maximize fat burning and weight loss. You just have to spend only 15 to 30 minutes a day, and that's all. The method will reward you in days and weeks. Here I take you by the hand and show you step by step how to get started. To create a new you by looking good and feeling right, that really shows. Remember, you can customize it by doing it gradually, which is what we recommend. This incredible new custom keto diet plan is available to you now. Here is what you get when you decide to register for it. An 8-week meal plan created based on recommendations of certified nutritionists and dietitians, personal trainers, and chefs. Meals with calorie and macronutrient content tailored to your specific situation and goals. A nutrition plan with food variety with a wide range of nutrients. Meals based on your personal food preferences to make your diet enjoyable and help you stay on track with your plan. Detailed recipes with step-by-step instructions. A downloadable shopping list each week that details every ingredient. Options you can customize to suit your own taste buds. It'll show you what to eat every day to reach your goals in the fastest and most enjoyable way. Presently, we have a limited supply of this new product, and it is going fast. We are trying hard to keep up with the demands for this custom keto diet plan, so please don't delay. You can order it by signing up now at this website, which is also listed in the comments below. The URL is https://bit.ly/311p capital P capital B capital small d 5. Again, it is https://bit.ly/311 capital P capital B small d number 5.